Hello friends, today we will study how to differentiate between echo command and printf command in Linux. So let's start. This is our echo command. So it prints up the same text as we have given before the echo command, but if we apply the printf command with the same text, so we can see that the first letters comes up while the letters are not shown. It's because it shows it word by word. Now again, if we echo it in this method, so we get the same results. And if we print in the inverted commas the printf command, so here we can see that we get our whole message as in the inverted commas. So now the third one is with /n, which is used for new line. So if I press, so here we can see that now with the printf command there is no, so as we can see now it's a clear message from the before inverted commas. Now if we use this command, so it will concatenate the results of the second line and add it with the inverted commas. So let's try it out. So as we can see that how to is concatenated with the be a Linux expert. So I hope you have learned how to differentiate between echo and printf command. Thank you for watching.